Hi, I'm Mia Elverson from the Vlog Academy, and I'm here to share some quick vlog tips with you. So if you're someone who wants to start vlogging but you're a little bit worried about going in front of the camera, or you're not sure how to set things up, then follow these tips and you'll learn loads. My first tip to you is really to keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things, because you know what? The beauty of video blogging is really that it's not about the quality of the video, it's about the quality of your message. So start sharing your expertise with your viewers, and I'm sure they will be happy to see whatever it is that you're doing, even if you're using your smartphone. So keep watching these little tips. If you want to subscribe to my channels, please do. And of course, have a look at the website where we have lots of online training courses and in-person courses. And of course, we can film things for you as well on www.vlogacademy.com. Bye for now.